Hi, if you are an SS aspirant, then this video is very important for you. If you have given your NEETSS November 2025 and also a NEETSS December 2025 and you have not got the desired rank or the desired seat or the institute, then one thing you need to tell yourself that you should not feel bad or you should not feel low and you should not think that I have put in a lot of efforts and still didn't work on my way and I got the stage 1 of NEETSS but didn't qualify on stage 2, or I did both but didn't get the seat, I missed with few ranks or few marks, or in a NEETSS it was not to my performance, I have got a very high score and I may not get the specialty of my choice or the medical college which I was looking for as an MCH seat, or I need to settle for something else. If any of this is happening in you, then you need to tell yourself that is good for you. You can ask me, sir, what is good in that? Understand you deserve the best. That means if you are not getting something now, you need to understand it is this way. Something best is waiting for you. So in my experience of 25 years of mentoring and training students for PG and Super Speciality entrance examination, that I have seen whenever a student is working hard and putting a lot of efforts and is not able to make a given exam, then that means only one thing you need to understand, that something best is waiting for you. So in my experience, I have seen there are good students put in a lot of hard work that they have not got any seat or rank. They made topmost rank in this NEETSS and a NEETSS exam. That means only one thing is very clear, that you deserve the best. And one more important thing that you need to understand is you need to wait until the table turns towards you. I repeat this, you deserve the best and you deserve the best and you deserve the best, and kindly wait until the table turns towards you. Then it is the game, it is your day, and the celebration starts from there. So I wish you don't lose hope, don't lose heart, just keep continuing. And I also need to tell you, success is not on a one-time event. Understand this. Success is not on a one-time event. It is a continuous process. Okay. So it has to be a continuous process being in your medical profession, that you need to understand that you need to continue what you continue and you are doing good and you are giving the best and it will eventually happen what you wanted. So do not compromise on your specialty of your choice and do not compromise on the institute of your choice. Just keep working. It's only the question of time. Another 2 more months, you have the April NEETSS coming on to you. Start working towards it. And NEETSS exam, as I always advocate and promote, that it is a more stable and reliable and a predictable exam. Keep moving towards it. People have done in last 1 month, last 2 months, and even last 15 days. I have posted many interviews in my YouTube. Kindly look into the interviews. Those are very specific to your specialties. See what toppers are saying that they have done in last 15 days. There are students that have done in last 30 days. Just seeing like videos like this, because going prepared for the exam is much better than not going prepared. That means unprepared. So magic can happen and miracle do happen, provided you subject yourself for the preparation and for the exam itself. So keep going, keep moving. I wish you all the very best and all the success. Yes, and you are bound to win and you will win and you will do great and you are doing great, and keep doing what you're doing. Best wishes to you and keep continuing. Wait until the table turn towards you, because you deserve the best.